Welcome to my walking tour of the W.P. Franklin Lock and Dam Fishing Pier. This is on the Okeechobee Waterway in Alva, Florida. And it's a 30-site campground that the Army Corps of Engineers put in. It also has some boat camping. This is the fishing pier. It opens at sunrise and closes at sunset. So without further ado, let's take a little walk out here. Nice day for a walk. April Fool's Day. Got one person fishing. Got one boat headed into the lock. There's a south side to this. We're on the W.P. Franklin North. That's where the campground is. Now across the river here, waterway, whatever you care to call it, is the south side, and you can watch to get closer to the boats going through, and it's day use only, so it's like picnicking or resting. Maybe we can get the fishing report. There's a dead snook. Pretty big one. Probably died of old age. Hard telling. Okay. Anything biting?
Not really. I had,
Not yet?
got a big snook, big ladyfish.
Okay.
That's about it so far.
Oh well, that sounds like fun.
Better than nothing, right?
Yeah. Okay. There's a bird just caught a fish. He's got it sticking out of his mouth. There's the boat going in the lock. Gonna raise him up a couple feet. And then for the last part of my tour, there's the campground. This is would be the western half of the campground. I believe it was sites up to 21. There's my camper right there. The motorhome kind of behind the bush. That's us. Okay. And our boat's going through. And then there's the lock and dam. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. I'll get one on here from the water someday. I'll be going from the west coast to the east coast. That bird has another fish. Man, he's a killer. I don't know if you can see him. He had a big old fish in his mouth. It's a cormorant.